The tiger, a symbol of strength and beauty, prowls silently through the forests of Asia. Yet, behind its majestic facade lies a world of darkness and peril. Tigers are apex predators, powerful hunters at the top of their food chain. But this dominance comes with a darker side. Tigers are known to be solitary and highly territorial, often engaging in brutal battles with rivals to defend their domain. These encounters can be fatal, leaving deep scars both physically and psychologically. The bond between a mother tiger and her cubs is strong, but survival is a relentless challenge. Only about half of tiger cubs live to see their second year. They face threats from other predators, starvation, and even male tigers, who may kill cubs to bring the female back into estrus. Human activities cast an even darker shadow over the tiger's existence. Poaching remains a significant threat, driven by the illegal trade in tiger parts used in traditional medicine and as status symbols. Despite international bans, this gruesome trade persists, pushing tigers to the brink of extinction. Habitat loss is another grave issue. As forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and development, tigers are forced into smaller and more fragmented areas. This not only reduces their prey, but also increases deadly conflicts with humans. The captivity of tigers also reveals a dark reality. Many are kept in deplorable conditions, suffering from neglect and abuse. In some cases, these majestic creatures are bred for entertainment or for their body parts, enduring a life of misery far removed from their natural habitat. In circuses and roadside zoos, tigers are often subjected to harsh training methods, confinement, and inadequate care. These intelligent and powerful animals are reduced to mere performers, their spirits broken by a life of exploitation. Illegal wildlife trade exacerbates the plight of tigers. From skins to bones, every part of a tiger has a price. This black market trade is driven by myths and false beliefs in the medicinal properties of tiger parts, leading to ruthless hunting and slaughter. Despite these dark realities, there is hope. Conservationists and wildlife protection organizations are working tirelessly to safeguard tigers and their habitats. Anti-poaching patrols, wildlife sanctuaries, and breeding programs are crucial efforts in the fight to save these magnificent predators. Education and awareness are key. By understanding the importance of tigers in our ecosystem and the threats they face, we can foster a global commitment to their preservation. Each step towards conservation helps ensure that future generations can witness the beauty and power of tigers in the wild. The tiger's story is one of survival against overwhelming odds. By addressing the darkest aspects of their plight and working towards their protection, we can hope for a future where tigers roam free as true kings of the jungle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.